working as you can see it. I have already received notification of new followers. Hello guys. Are you new to social media? Or you are looking for a way to get popular on the internet across the globe? Stop searching because you are at the right place. Today I will be showing you how to get 500 plus followers on Instagram for free every day. All you just need is 2 Instagram accounts for that to be executed. Before we will jump into what we have today, if you are new to my channel, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel? And turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when next I drop important update. I will advise you to watch this video to the end. And don't skip any part, because I will be revealing the name of the website at the end of this video. So without further ado, let's jump into what we have to. First, you will need to jump into any browser of your choice. For my case, I will be using Chrome browser. Then you will search for this website I will be showing you later on in this video. Wait for it to load. Now that you are in the website, you can see that it is not an English site. So you will need to translate it to English. Has been translated to English successfully. Look at this place that says login. You will need to log in with your Instagram account. But I will advise you to log in with a fake account. That's the second account I talked about earlier. Because you can send the followers to any Instagram account. Now that you are logged in, you can see here the site have different features to offer, such as free 50 likes, 175 real followers, 20 comments, 500 views, and so on. But what we are currently focusing on now is the free followers, so let's click on it. Then it will ask for the username of the Instagram account you want to send the followers to. Input the account username and click on Find. When the username is available, it will show you the account profile picture. Then input the 175 you saw there, then click on Send. You will have to wait for this countdown to complete. Now let's check our account to see if it's working. As you can see it, I have already received notification of new followers. Before I forgot, the name of the website is followersize.net. So for you to have that 500 plus Instagram followers, you will need at least 5 fake accounts to do that. But you can still wait for 5 days to get it, because this offer refreshes every day. That means you will receive free 175 followers every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to channel and turn on the notification bell.